gonna... That shit's unruly.
There's some high dollar wheels too.
Yeah, they cost just what an engine costs.
Is this your wagon?
So what's up, guys? We're at Minitec.
Oh, it is a manual?
Brought Kevin Vu with us today.
Hold on, man. Really? Yeah. Somebody, I don't know how.
That's cool.
Was somebody traded in or something? And
This is my dream car.
I got there early one morning. It was on a holiday, and they were gonna take it in and check it out. Nobody could crank it up, so it won't crank. I said, "You mashed the clutch?" They didn't even know. They cheesed it. So I didn't even know. Didn't even know it.
Manual.
Same, man. I use the same power steering pump. I mean, just take the hose and put a notch in it so you can get 2 bolts in it.
Yeah.
Use J compressor, but use the for your AC, but use the K hoses.
Oh, wow.
Right in the, everything's in the same spot. Stock radiator, fuel pump. You do have to with the J put a return line in it.
Mm-hmm. Did the cables fit correctly too?
Yeah, same cables.
Oh, really? Wow.
Everything.
Wow.
So you just pretty much just drop it.
Yeah, well, see, the Accord has the 03, 07 Accord has a J or a K. Everything fits. And all these motors, even the B's when we're doing the swap, this way, all of them are 36. You got to have 36 inches to get in. And if you do, anything will go in.
Yeah, that's cool. I like this.
It's amazing.
I'm fixing to do the all-wheel drive thing and with the K transmission. I'm making an adapter plate where I can use the K transmission on the manual. But the damn manuals are so hard to find.
Can you imagine the orange one with the J in it?
So did you make the mounts yourself, or?
Might as well.
Yeah, that's what we do here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You got one, might as well swap it.
I want to.
Yeah.
I won't probably end up.
And if like I said, it fits right in there. If you use the K transmission, hell, all you got's that mount.
His idea on his products is anything that will let a kid in their driveway do it.
Yeah, I mean, that's basically I'll build a kit, even minions for it.
Heck yeah. I'm gonna have to J swap me one.
I think after coming here last time, we're going to J swap anything we can.
Supercharger on it.
There you
We
go.
got room here.
Yeah, you do have room actually.
Yeah.
And this sounds not so great.
So what you think, Mr. Vu?
It's fucking wild. I love these two trucks.
Can't say he has no balls. What do you think?
No, it's
A little mind blowing out here, isn't it?
I'm mind blown.
Is that an Austin Healey Bug-Eyes Dry? It is.
Yeah.
Sweet.
It really is.
Hey, those things are that small?
Yeah, that's what I was telling.
So evidently Austin has one of these. It's in Texas,
I need to go pick it up.
and Supposed to pick it up.
Yeah, that's cool. I actually have one of them.
Jay.
That's right.
Oh, that's so nice.
Little mid-engine Mini.
Wow.
Is this gonna be Jay as well?
I was.
This is my favorite. And I'm not a Miata fan.
How would you? Man, I guess you had to put a lot of weight in
This one you're gonna put a J in it, it's gonna go to Road Atlanta, right?
If I don't find somebody who wants it.
I won.
It can be had then. But I'd like to play with it, but like I say, I've got a lot of projects I want to do, and I'm losing my.
Really good case.
They did the rear
Enthusiasm.
trailing arm.
Hey, I done told you. I made a bet with you. I'll put a K in that car.
All right.
You put a J in that white one down there, and we'll go to Road Atlanta, and we'll put some money on it too.
All right.
And you got more experience than I do, so you should win.
This is one of the B-Series minis.
You're gonna walk wide. Love the truck though.
Yeah, I love
That's my favorite.
this red one right here. This is.
Yeah, these trucks are so sweet.
Dude, if you drove this to town to get parts for the shop,
That'd be the coolest shop truck ever. Yeah.
Ooh, there we go.
I saw one when you just turned it into an exoskeleton. It had a J.
Has a
in
D.
it, too.
Yeah.
Wow, this is the same one as mine.
There's a D motor in it.
Oh wow.
Which I'm gonna build it. I got a little wagon down the other shop, and I think I'm gonna just go with D. Because 125 horsepower in these things,
Oh yeah.
especially, and I'm gonna leave it a 10-inch wheel car.
And it's probably double the power that came in anyways. So yeah.
Triple.
Well, triple.
Yeah.
Yeah, 36
30. I was about to say
horsepower.
like 30
Oh.
something horsepower.
it's hard to get a size reference,
Yeah.
but
I mean the car's so little.
car's up to his nipples.
Look, this one's got that one's got Willwoods on it.
Yeah. Nipples.
Yeah, car's up to his nips.
I'm 5'6", so.
Yeah, he's already Asian and
The thing
short.
is the length, though. The selling point of a Mini was it was 10 feet from bumper to bumper.
So clean.
So if it stood on the front, white man still can't jump and touch the top.
That one was taken down
You
to
gotta
a
get a
bare
shot
shell
into
right there.
It's all the gauges.
Oh, I know, it's got Corbu seats and all that.
All the gauges in the middle.
I'm about to go around that side. What you doing, pup?
This green one wasn't in here the last time.
There we go.
Yeah, probably was. This was one we sold a kit to a guy, and of course he never did get it. Some people just didn't know how to do it, you know.
Yeah.
And now some do it, they never get to it again.
Here's the car.
It's still all-wheel drive.
really good.
Car that light and 400, 300, 400 horsepower on the front end, it's still.
That's too much
I
power.
mean, it is, you can't. That's like the Miata one.
Yeah.
The LS motor in that is too much, you know.
Yeah.
Unless you want to just.
So sweet. Man, I'm on one.
The Miata is my favorite, sadly.
This one's my favorite.
I really love the Minis, but I think the Miata is my favorite.
I'm not even a Miata guy.
Hey, you see this?
Yeah.
Yeah, the truck.
Dope.
Oh
There's two of them. Look, this one's got the
top.
I call that the ammo cover.
Now that's just like, that's all original, right?
The color.
Yeah,
I mean,
these are
This one is all original?
Yeah. That's how they came. That guy got it in the UK or somewhere.
Yeah. I kind of like this one with the little fender flares on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, super cool.
Dirty as hell. Like a polished,
That's what I'm saying.
a little bit on the headlights.
Oh, I didn't do two-piece motors.
Yeah. This is my favorite one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a good brake.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's probably overkill. Yeah. Yeah. You can do that. Yeah.
Yeah, it makes a difference.
Yeah.
at the UK, but you can't. We use tilting boxes, pedal, wheel with pedal, pedal box. It's hard taking up balance, taking up miles on it. Take radiator. Take the control arms off of it. Take the, I don't even take the tie rods off the spindle, just let the steering rack hang. And run a strap up under the transmission and hang it. I use old motorcycle strap.
Oh, wow.
Well, you can see how we got this one now. Because it's got the power flex right.
Yeah.
And the power flex thing,
Thinking back on the J-Swap Miata deal.
Everything works.
I know.
Everything works. All the gauges work.
If I sell the GSR,
and then drop you.
it's done.
Oh, I mean, I'm aware. If I sell my red car, it's over with. I'll have a turbo one.
You'll end up in a ditch in a heartbeat if you do that, though.
I can drive better than you. I think the Miatas. I think Woolworths are just proper Miatas. Like, it's more than enough.
Oh, I haven't had one of these in a long time.
Oh, it is. It's tight.
Kind of belong in here, I feel like.
I know, it's short. Turn right. It's so smooth. Everything works perfect. Look at the RPMs.
I know,
I mean, it's cruising. What do you think about it?
I like it.
Handles like a dream.
We gotta build one of these.
Oh, I know we gotta build one. That's for sure. I mean, you can cruise at 120 on back roads.
Oh, I dig it.
Oh, I dig it too. This is one of the coolest swaps I've ever been in.
Dude, I want to take this thing on road Atlanta.
I do too.
Should we do a donut?
Missed the driveway.
We made it. Just went the wrong one.
Oh, dude, this thing's sick. You approve it?
This is Unruly approved.
pull back up from the test drive. Let's pull right here.
Thing hugs great.
Oh, that's the car set up right.
So is this the one you take
street
through it
car,
or no?
A street car.
We got a full tank.
Yeah, I even do a all-wheel drive mix. And we sell send this stuff to Australia and New Zealand.
So these are all the K members you make for direct bolt-ins and stuff?
Yeah, and that would be a all-wheel drive rear chassis.
This whole setup right here?
Yeah. And basically I plagiarized a Miata rear suspension geometry.
Right.
And this holds that element or CRV rear diff. I was telling them when we first started doing all-wheel drive stuff, we've done the 18 Type R with a paddle wagon for a guy. And he wanted all-wheel drive, so we put all the rear, but we pinned the rear diff and took the front axle out of it. And I need to hunt up the burnout video on that.
I'm really curious if a K-Series was in there though, how much different it would be.
I feel like the case.
I feel like the K-Series would be nasty just because it would rev out a lot further and it's lighter weight than a J-Series. Not by much, but it's still lighter.
I love the K motor. Some of the minis I built, I like them.
I'm just curious how it'd be in this car because the way it handles and everything, weight for weight, that's already great. So if you can drop a little more weight in the front, you know.
Yeah, it would. It would probably, I don't know how much it
That's
costs.
just
So this is his workshop. If y'all see any of the stuff online, everything is in-house made in the US of A. This is my favorite. I mean, I'm standing up, this is up my chest, and that's how short this thing is. All original. Little bitty. Alright guys, well, what we originally came here for is that right there. So, we're gonna go load all this up. Thanks for watching the video, and stay tuned for more action.